How to use WhatsApp on PC without a QR code or mobile. Now let's get started. If you have WhatsApp application in your mobile device and whenever you open it, and now to get started, you have to either log in by scanning the QR code to your mobile device. So you cannot simply log in without your mobile or your QR code. Even though if you try to log in from the WhatsApp web from the browser, then there also you will be asked to log in via this QR code by scanning from your mobile device. Now to log in to WhatsApp in PC without any QR or mobile, first of all open up the web browser in your laptop and in search bar type in Game Loop. So you have to install this Game Loop emulator in your PC to download the WhatsApp. Now when you download the WhatsApp from this emulator, then you will be able to log into WhatsApp without any QR or mobile. So simply install this Game Loop or this emulator in your PC by clicking on this download option. Once it is download, install and set up in your laptop. After it is set up, simply open up the Game Loop. Now from here, search for WhatsApp in the search bar, and once the WhatsApp is loaded, simply click on install. Once this application is installed, then you can open it in your laptop. Now once the application is installed in your device, you will have this interface. From here, you have to select the language and then click on this arrow icon from this interface. Now click on agree and continue. Now you get this interface where you have to enter your phone number. So simply type in your phone number along with your country. Then click on next. Then for your confirmation, click on yes again. Now you will receive a code in your mobile device. So go ahead and check for this verification code in your mobile device. They're verified. Now you will get this interface. If you would like to restore your backup, then click on restore, or you can simply skip this process as well. Then click on skip restore. Now it will ask you if you would like to change your name. If not, then click on next, or if you would like to change, simply change this name from this interface. If you want to add email address, you can simply add your email address or simply skip these steps as well. Now with that, you have logged into the WhatsApp without using QR or your mobile device in your laptop. And that's how you can use WhatsApp in your laptop without any QR or mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.